After years of Disney trips, I've developed a packing system that keeps me organized. And today I'm putting it to the test with a new carry on. Starting with clothes, once I decide what I'm going to wear on the trip, I'll put each outfit into a stack, complete with accessories and even socks. I love using packing cubes, and since we are staying at All Star Sports, these will be fun. Dresses will go in the large cube. Since they were already folded in the stacks, I'm going to fold them in half once more, creating a rectangle. It's a hybrid between folding and rolling your clothes, and I'll hang them up when I get to the hotel. As you can see, I wear a lot of black. A black linen or athletic dress has practically become my Disney uniform. In the small packing cube, I'll put all of the socks from the stacks, and then I'll add a few more. If you are going to overpack anything, let it be socks and underwear. I'll use this little cube for underwear and biker shorts. I always wear biker shorts or slip shorts under my dresses, so I'm completely covered when I'm getting on or off a ride. The last packing cube will have all of the other clothing items from the stacks. These are bathing suit sarongs, and they give me a little more coverage when I'm walking around the pool or water parks. I'm packing two bathing suits. I'll add all of my sports bras and then my pajamas. I don't use packing cubes to save space in my bags. I use them solely for organization and knowing exactly where everything is. And it makes unpacking at the hotel so easy. This new carry-on was sent to me by Level 8, and this color is gorgeous. I can't wait to pack it. The feature I'm most excited about is the wide handle on the Voyager model creates a flat interior, so you don't have those normal bumps from the luggage handle running down the middle of your suitcase. My large packing cube fits perfectly, and I'll add a pair of flip-flops here. I'll put in my foldable beach hat, and I always bring my white jacket. Even though it's summer in Florida, the air conditioning can be cold. There is actually room on each side of the packing cube, and I'm not going to put anything there. Leaving extra space in the suitcase will make it easier to pack up to go home. On the other side, I'll put the rest of the packing cubes, and I'll add a few more things in here a little later. Now that we've packed our clothes, let's pack the travel accessories. I'll bring a reusable tote bag to use as a pool bag, and I can wash it when I get home. A thin wallet is perfect for travel, and this is a medicine wallet. I need to put in some allergy and pain relief, and these band-aids are left over from my last trip. I'll bring this laundry hamper to keep the hotel room tidy, and this crossbody bag will be my purse and park bag. It's summer, so I will definitely need this fan, and this hand sanitizer case will clip onto the outside of my crossbody bag. This air tag will go in my suitcase, and I'll bring this portable charger as well. I'll grab a magic band or two, and I think that is it here. Definitely will use this coffee koozie, and these are my travel sunglasses. Not bringing those, but I will bring the case for another pair. This is a foldable hanger and will be good to hang up wet bathing suits or clothes. Ponchos because it is rainy season. And this quart-size Ziploc bag with a flat bottom will be my liquids bag. A magic band keeper is a silicone band that secures the strap and prevents it from falling off. My phone charger. The value resorts at Disney have a USB outlet on the nightstand, so I'm not bringing my charging block. Charger for my fan, a magic band charger, and a wrist strap for my phone. The last bin holds toiletries. I'll take this toothpaste, toothbrush holder, toothbrush, sunscreen, and that was hand sanitizer, soap for sensitive skin, face wash and moisturizer, floss, and a razor blade. I'll take off this travel case because I don't need it. I'm going to attach this when I get there and pop it off when I leave and just bring home the stick. These nail clippers will come with me. Hand sanitizing wipes. I do need to get some more of those. Deodorant and a flushable wipe for my crossbody bag. A comb brush combo, hairband, and a travel brush. I'll bring 2 pouches, one for cosmetics and one for miscellaneous items. The medicine wallet, foldable hangers, and charging cords in this one. In the cosmetic bag, toothbrush, face brush, liquids bag, and I did add my makeup, which is very minimal. Tinted sunscreen, mascara, blush, and lip balm. You may have noticed that I did not pack shampoo and conditioner. Those are provided by the hotel, so I'll just use those. My crossbody will be packed and ready to go to the parks. I always hit the ground running when I get there. And all of these items will fit into my personal item backpack. I have a few more items to add to the suitcase. The laundry hamper and the reusable tote. And on the other side, I'll add this kitchen garbage bag to bring home my dirty clothes and shoes. I want to take care of my suitcase and keep the inside of it clean. I plan on having it forever. It actually has a lifetime warranty, so it's meant to last forever. Lastly, I'll add these ponchos. We are flying Southwest, and the Voyager does meet the carry-on size requirements for Southwest Airlines. So before you leave the house, make sure that you have your passport or driver's license, payments such as a credit card, any prescription medicine, phone and phone charger, and a portable charger. I'm Andy Aline. Thank you for watching. Happy travels, and I will see you in the next one.